So one more time, Thane, you said number from 4.9, we're looking at number 5, you said?
Yes, that's right.
Very good. Okay, so let me look. What does 5 mean? And if you'd like to give me your function, so I can do the exact same problem, because what I see, I'll tell you what I see in number 5. I have g of t, which is 7 plus t squared over the square root of t. That's what I have. Do you want to make any changes?
No, that's perfect.
Okay, very good. So I'm asked to find the most general antiderivative, but I'm not going to work with this. As we know, 7 divided by this is 7t to negative 1/2 plus t to the first power, and this is t to 1/2, will be t to 1/2, 1 minus 1/2, and plus t to 2 minus 1/2. 2 minus 1/2 is 3/2. This is the function that I will use to find the antiderivative for. And since I have a lowercase g, I will denote it by uppercase g. So how do we find the antiderivative? We increase the power by 1, and we divide by the result. So 7t negative 1/2 plus 1 will be 1/2, and I have to divide by exactly the same number, by the exact same number. Plus t 1/2 plus 1 will be 3/2, and I have to divide by the same number. Plus t to 3/2 plus 1, which is 5/2, and I divide by the same number. I'm asked to find the most general antiderivative, so I have to find a family of functions. For every c, there is a different function. So I have to simplify it a little bit. I have to flip this fraction, because when I divide by a fraction, I multiply by the multiplicative inverse. So this will be 14. T to 1/2, you can write it as the square root of t if you like. Plus 2/3. 3 to 3/2, I can write it as t, the square root of t. Plus 2/5, and then I have t squared, the square root of t, plus a constant c. Or you can just leave it with the powers as they are, but you have to flip the denominator. So don't forget the c. So 14 the square root of t, or t to 1/2, plus 2/3 t to 3/2, plus 2/5 t to 5/2, plus constant c. Good. Next question. It's up to you if you want to continue with 4.9 or move on to 5.1. It's up to you. Scroll through and see what you need help with. And I'll help you with the exact problem that you have. So you can, it will give you a boost. That's my intention today. And Thursday as well. Are we still on 4.9 or we move on? Any questions on this problem? We continue with something else? You want me to choose, or?